option from his, because when the ball went up in the air, he went there. There could have been 2 runs as well. Could have been a run, could have been anything.
Ashwin with the last over. It's ball in round his legs. It's the first ball off for Saeed Ajmal. He's dismissed. Pakistani fans can't believe it. The Indian fans are over the moon. What a contest this has been, and Ashwin on the night has delivered the punch. 3 wickets now for Ashwin, getting him 4 round the legs with a leg cutter.
And he's done it with his flicker, or the carom ball. He's getting wickets with the carom ball. The flicker, first ball, 4 behind his legs. 236 for 9.
I'd be encouraged to have the field come up and not allow Junaid Khan a single. Afridi is rushing in. He picks up a run. Now then, the scene may just change dramatically here. Afridi is on strike. Afridi makes room, goes up in the air. Has he connected? It's gone. It's 6. Shahid Afridi. Unbelievable shot. What a strike under pressure. Indians can't believe it. Shahid Afridi is talking to Junaid Khan as if he's done nothing. Wow, now 3 from 3. Only Shahid Afridi can deliver such a punch. I'm sure it was a half hit.
It wasn't, it was a full hit. If it had been a half hit, it would have been in the hands of the fielder there. But only he could play that shot. Only he had the nerve to play that kind of a shot. Magnificent.
Alright, only 1 ball to go because it'll be 4 or out.
He goes again, goes big, goes up in the air. And it's 6. Shahid Afridi, you beauty! What a win! Pakistan had snatched it. Shahid Afridi has done it. He has many a time stunned the world with his belligerent batting, and he couldn't have been better tonight. What striking under pressure. Unbelievable batting from Shahid Afridi. The entire team is out there. They can't believe it. India had it covered until Shahid Afridi came on strike, and well, he's won a memorable match for Pakistan.
Superb batting. He played it smart. He bided his time. And when Pakistan really needed it, he pulled some magic out of his pocket. Brilliant stuff, Afridi.
Yes. Only he could have done it. Only he could have won the match. Only he had the courage and the belief that he could hit those 2 deliveries for 6s. They weren't bad deliveries. But only Afridi could have done that. And he's done it for Pakistan once more. Magnificent stuff.
What hitting. Unbelievable strike for Shahid Afridi.